Here in the I button and in description box below, you will get complete playlist of partial differential equation. Welcome to a new problem on the topic that is method of separation of variables. And in this particular video, we are going to solve this second problem. Okay, this video number 30. So we are going to solve this problem. From video number 29 to video number 33, you are going to see these five problems. Okay, so let us start with the new problem, that is using method of separation of variables, solve del u upon del x equals to 4 times del u upon del y, given that u 0 comma y equals to 8 e to the power minus 3y. Okay, what is u? That is function of x and y. So here the value of x is how much? 0. Okay, so when x equal to 0, u equals to 8 into e to the power minus 3y. So here the given equation, that is partial differential equation, is del u upon del x equals to 4 times del u upon del y. Let's suppose this is my equation number 1. Okay, so the first step to solve is assume the trial solution, that is u, which is a function of x comma y, equals to capital X, which is a function of small x, into capital Y, which is a function of small y. Or you can say u equals to x into y. Okay, capital X, capital Y. Yes, let the solution of equation 1 be u of x comma y equals to capital X, which is a function of x, into capital Y, which is a function of y, or you can say u equals to x into y. Okay, then simply put the values of trial solution in the given partial differential equation. Okay, here we have del u upon del x equals to 4 times del u upon del y. Okay, u equals to x into y, but what is del u upon del x? That is, yes, x dash into y. Okay, similarly equals to 4 times, what is del u upon del y? That is x into y dash. Okay, equation 1 becomes, that is this equation becomes x dash y equals to 4 times x y dash. Okay, now separate the variables and assume it equals to same constant k. Okay, so now here x dash upon x equals to 4 times y dash upon y. So we will keep x on left hand side and y variable on right hand side. Okay, that is separation variable. So here we have x dash upon x equals to 4 times y dash upon y equals to some constant k. Okay, now take the separated variables individually and solve it so that we can find the value of x and y. So here first we will take x dash upon x equals to k and solve it to get the value of x. Then we will take this equals to this so that we can find the value of y. Okay, one by one we will solve. Solving this first, that is x dash upon x equals to k. On integration this will become what? Log x. Okay, equals to, this will become k into x plus log c1. This is constant for this particular integration. Okay, now here we have log, here we have log, but here we don't have log, so we will take log here also. So simply multiply log e, because the value of log e base is how much? 1. So here we have log x equals to k into x into log e plus log c1. Now take this to here, this will become log e to the power k into x plus log c1. Okay, now we know that log of a plus log of b equals to log a into b. So log of c1 into e to the power kx. Okay, now log get cancel. We have capital X equals to c1 into e to the power kx. Okay, now here we have the value of capital X. Now we want to find the capital Y value. So we will solve, that is y dash upon y equals to k upon 4. So solving second part, that is y dash upon y equals to k upon 4. On integration this will become log of y equals to k upon 4 into y plus second integration constant, that is log of c2. Okay, here and here both, in both terms we have log, but this part is independent of log, so we will include log here also. So here we have ky upon 4 into 1. What is 1? That is log e base e. Okay, log e base e is also 1. So in place of 1 we can write log e. So we have log of y equals to k into y upon 4 log e plus log c2. Okay, now take this here, log e power ky upon 4 plus log c2. Now we know that log of a plus log of b equals to log of a into b, that is log of c2 into e to power ky upon 4. Okay, now compare this with this, you will get y equals to c2 into e to power ky upon 4. Okay, here we have the value of x and here we have the value of y. Okay, now since we have the value of u and x and y, so we can say that is what is u, that is function of x and y equals to capital X into capital Y. This is capital X and this is capital Y. C1 into C2. Okay, here we have C1 into C2 and here e to power, add both the powers, that is if you take k common, here we have x plus y upon 4. Okay, here we have x and here we have y upon 4, so k into x plus y upon 4. Okay, now here we have the value of u in terms of c1 c2 and k. Now in the problem there is a boundary condition given, that is yes, u 0 comma y. Okay, it means put x as 0. Okay, so if you put x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, u 0 comma y equals to this c1 c2 will be as it is. Okay, e to power k into 0 plus y upon 4, that is k into y upon 4. Okay, now here we have at x equal to 0, u 0 comma y equals to c1 c2 e to power k into y upon 4. But this part is given, that is in the problem itself it is given that u at x equal to 0 equals to 8 into e to power minus 3y. So simply write that, that is u at x equal to 0 equals to 8 into e to power minus 3y, and this part is given in the problem. So on comparing both the equations, you will get that is c1 c2 equals to 8. Okay, and here we have k upon 4, that is the coefficient of y, that is k upon 4. Okay, equals to minus 3. So from here you will get the value of k, that is 3 minus 3 into 4, that is minus 12. Okay, so here we have the value of c1 c2 as well as k. So simply put the values of c1 c2 and k in this, then you will get u in terms of x and y. Okay, so we can say that is the required solution is u, which is a function of x and y, equals to, in place of c1 c2 we can put 8. Okay, e to the power, in place of k we can put minus 12 into x plus y upon 4. Okay, now we can take 4 as LCM, so this is going to be 8 into e to the power minus 12, 4x plus y upon 4. Now this will be minus 3, so we can say that is 8 into e to the power minus 3 into 4x plus y, and this is what, this is u, which is a function of x and y. Okay, so in the problem this part was given. Okay, in this problem, in this particular problem, this part was given, that is the boundary condition. Because of this part only we have c1 c2 and k. Okay, if let's suppose that is not given in the problem, then we can declare that is this as my answer, that is u, which is a function of x comma y equals to c1 c2 into e to the k into x plus y upon 4. This is my final solution if the boundary condition is not given in the problem. And if the boundary condition is given to us, then simply find the constant, that is c1 c2 and k. Okay, thank you so much.